Why this works. Gado-Gado is a beautifully composed salad that showcases a variety of textures and flavors through the technique of blanching. Blanching vegetables not only preserves their vibrant colors, but also retains important nutrients. The quick cooking ensures that the vegetables remain crisp, a key element in this dish. Using salted boiling water to blanch helps to infuse flavor into the vegetables. The contrast of the creamy peanut sauce with the crunchy vegetables and the soft texture of the hard-boiled eggs and tempeh creates a well-rounded experience. If the peanut sauce seems too thick, you can thin it with a little water or coconut milk to achieve the desired consistency. Conversely, if the vegetables are overcooked, they may lose their vibrant color and crispness. To rescue this, you can quickly shock them in ice water after blanching to halt the cooking process, preserving their texture and color effectively. Autopilot Guard Summary Truth. Approved, quality approved, score 100. Similarity, approved, score 0.078 versus Goma A. Regulatory, approved, image, approved. Terumi Brain V1 review grade, B. Overall 78 out of 100. Readiness needs minor edits. Scores chef equals 100. Science equals 30. Repair equals 95. Culture equals 90. Safety equals 100. Taste equals 54. Mon equals 60. Geo equals 95. Suggested enhancements. One science term, Maillard, emulsion, denaturation, etc., earned in context, would raise the explanation. Naming one or two taste axes, salt, acid, fat, umami, aroma, texture, makes the dish's structure visible. Brain suggested book, The Japanese Home Cooking Code, Unlocking Flavor, Home Cooking Code EN.